Oh, look, man, he's still hitting that button, man. He ain't gonna have no bottle pressure by the time you get up here, y'all. Come on, let's see what he got, y'all. Please don't let it go dead.
Okay.
Like it actually, the suspension set up pretty good on her. It look like it's gonna hook, y'all. It wasn't staying running earlier. See, like he got, damn, something that came loose. Hell yeah. The wires came loose. Damn. Now he know he should have twisted them wires up at home instead of doing it up here at the track. Now he, at the tree, twisted 2 wires together, y'all. You know that ain't good. Not in the racing game, boy. You better have everything A1. That one thing don't work, the whole pass messed up. Hey, anybody got, hey, you got some electrical tape? She needs some electrical tape, y'all. Ooh. It already ain't trying to stay running. Look, man, everybody want to hear. Oh, reverse ain't working. That's what that, he must got a trans brake on here. Yeah, his trans brake button messed up. Hey, you finna put some glue on it? Okay. Yeah, he finna need it. Ooh, let me get out of his way, y'all. Hold on. He needs some milk. Yeah. Ah, he done waited in line. He's still trying to tighten them buttons up. Intake just a hole in the hood. He, when he did his burnout, his trans-brake wires came unloose, so he couldn't bag the car up. Uh-oh, excuse me. Gonna go home and have a white claw with his wife now. Oh, okay, we got big time here. DJ Khaled, y'all. Look out. Something broke.
Hey, who's been to get some of these over in the 80 class?
Oh.
Take all bets.
Okay. Snoop wanna race on foot. Yeah. Come on now. Okay.
Quinn, what you gonna do, man?
Man, I got $5 on some tacos. We can go up there and get some tacos in a minute, Snoop. I got you. I got you. Snoop has a foot fetish. Let me go see what else they got coming up. They got these old heavy-ass trucks coming. Gonna have a Taquache showdown. What's up with it? Hey, man. See what all in the line, y'all. See, we got this Mustang. Let's see what else. We got this Mustang. He got that intake. Uh-oh. It's almost taco time, really. Oh, some new people followed. What's that, Graham Cave? Appreciate the follow, man. I thought something wasn't working at first. Nothing much. About to see what you gonna do.
I'm gonna work on the tree.
You gonna make a full pass?
Well, yeah, we'll see.
Okay,
I'm working on the tree tonight.
Okay, leave on the yellow.
Yeah, I'm trying to work on it.
Leave on the yellow.
Yellow.
Find out where red light at. Try the red
Exactly
light.
what I said. I'm gonna try it.
Try the
I've
red
never
light,
done
man.
that,
And
so
then
I
that's
gotta-
gonna help you get it out there.
Yep.
That's gonna help you get it out there. That way you can find out. Damn, who caused this, man? Went to Rednecks and Paychecks. I was there. Hey, anybody want to see the uncensored version of Rednecks with Paychecks? I got the uncensored version, man. Look out. You was at Rednecks with Paychecks, man?
What?
You was at Rednecks with Paychecks?
Go twice a year, every year.
Oh, okay, you didn't see me up there?
What you mean?
Yeah, I was up there flying the drone. You didn't see the drone flying?
Hell no. Hey, did you see a Jeep with Thought Rocket on the back of it?
Thought Rocket? I'm gonna have to look that up, man. I don't remember seeing Thought
And
Rocket.
then, fuck the dually,
The dually.
the big ass Dodge dually with the long horns on it.
Man, I probably seen that. Man, I flew the drone. I did the side by side, the racing and all that, man. My YouTube channel, Look Out Racing. Look out, look out. You can check that out. I got the uncensored version, man.
What's this? Oh,
Titties and everything.
damn.
Yeah.
Oh, you talking about the redneck?
Yeah, Redneck. He was there. He said he go twice a year. Look Out Racing.
Look out.
Yes, sir. Hey, man, you finna go get some tacos or what? Yeah, man, check it. Type in Look Out Racing and Rednecks with Paychecks out there, man. I went twice a year this year too.
Hell yeah.
I went to both of them. I had a good
You
time.
gonna be out there next time? Catch me. Look for Thought Rocket on the
Thought Rocket. I see Thought Rocket. I'm running up to you, man.
Hell yeah.
I'm running up to. I'm be looking for you. I'm gonna remember old Thought Rocket. Let me see. That's my boy Austin. Oh damn, you knew him for real? Look at the taco line. It looks like it's getting shorter too. Give me some tacos real quick. Go ask him about B3. Okay, okay. Let me get this little pass here. Man, they cleaning up and shit. Man, they got some new Modelos. What's up with it, man? Yeah, I see y'all got a... Oh, shit. Nah, I don't drink beer, man. I sure appreciate it. I don't drink it. I'm good, I'm good. I'm just going around. Graham Cave. I wonder if he got some grams or something. The vitamin. I don't know nothing about no vitamin. Oh, B3, yeah, the vitamin. Where Lord of the Rings at? I ain't seen him. Let it eat! Usually if you say that, if he around, he'll say it too. You don't